I will never look at a group of flamingos the same way after learning this. Did you know a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance? That's right, these pink, elegant birds don't just stand around looking pretty. They're downright flamboyant. Picture this, you're at a zoo, and amidst the crowd you spot a sea of pink. It's not just a group, it's a flamboyance of flamingos strutting their stuff like a feathered fashion show. Flamingos get their pink color from their diet of shrimp and algae. The more they eat, the pinker they get. So, the next time you see these fabulous birds, you'll know they're not just a flock, they're a flamboyance. Share this fun fact with your friends and see who else knows about the flamboyant world of flamingos. And don't forget to hit the like button if you love these fabulous birds as much as we do. See you next time for more amazing animal facts.